Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, guys. And today, guys, I'm going to be unboxing. This is actually the April drone drop box. So it's a little bit late again, 2 months in a row. And honestly, this is the last month I'm doing drone drop. I'm actually probably next month going to be checking out the quad box. I want to do a comparison to see how much you get in the drone drop versus the quad box. Plus I want some shirts too, so but anyway, so yeah, so this is the April version of the drone drop. So I have not opened this ahead of time, so let's go ahead and pan the camera down and let's take a look. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the drone drop for April. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the little packing tape there. There we go, and let's go ahead and open this up and let's take a look and see what is inside here. Alright, so right off the top we've got our, they actually changed it this month. So the last couple months has been the dowel props, and this time they're putting in the HQ props. And these are the, let me read them on here really quick. This is the 5.1 by 5.1 by 3, the light red, which is actually pretty cool because I've been needing actually some red props, which is pretty cool. So I get 3 sets of those, so that's pretty freaking awesome. I'm liking that a lot. Okay, so looks like there's a bag or a box inside the box. Okay, so let's take a look. So it looks like this is a Ethics box. This is the company that Mr. Steele, he's a FPV pilot that he's with, so that's kind of cool. I don't know if it's like a lunch pail or something, so let's take a look and see what's inside this guy. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's some stuff inside here. Alright, okay, so right off the top here, let's take a look. So it looks like we get some Ethics XT60 rubber 20 pieces. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to grab my scissors here. These are the Ethics rubber tops. I think just from the description it looks like they're probably going to be like battery connector protectors, I'm assuming, but I don't know for sure. And yeah, that's kind of what they look like. So let me grab a battery here really quick and you can take a look. So it looks like these just kind of slip right over your XT60 connector, just like that. So that's actually kind of handy if you're traveling and you just want to pop that on top there, so that way actually it covers your XT60 connector so it doesn't touch metal and it doesn't short out the other batteries. So that's actually kind of cool. That's actually useful. And you get 20 of these little guys in there, so that'll be more than enough for my batteries. Okay, so let's see what is next in here. Looks like this is the Team Black Sheep Unify Pro VG8 HV Racer. I think this is their newest VTX with the MMCX connector. If you remember, a couple of months ago I got one, but it was the older version. So yeah, this is the MMCX. So yeah, this is kind of cool, and I'm going to be working on a new build here coming soon. So I'll see if I can incorporate this into my new build. So that's kind of cool. So let's see, we've got Velocidrone. What is this? Refine your skills, challenge your friends. Is most realistic. Okay, so I already have Velocidrone downloaded on my computer, guys. So what I'm going to do for you is whoever is the first one to see this particular code and use it, it's for 5% off of your purchase of Velocidrone. You guys can have it and you can use it. So there's the code, and hope you guys like that. Alright, so next we got some Ethics stickers, so those are pretty cool, and some Team Black Sheep stickers, and those are pretty cool too. And then some silicone gel. Remember, do not eat the silicone gel and throw away. So just make sure, don't eat it. It really is tasty, but don't eat it. Okay, and so I guess that's about it. So let's take a look at this bag here really quick. I'm gonna see if my QX7 fits in here, because I've been kind of looking for something I can put my my radio in. and kind of protect it on the road and stuff like that. And actually, you know what? It does actually fit in there. So that's actually kind of cool. So there we go. I've got a carrying case for my my Tyrannus QX7. So that's actually kind of cool. You can probably put it in this way too. Yep. So that'll fit there too. And then you've got like a little, looks like a little pouch on the side here too. So you can probably fit something in there. I've even still got a little bit of room. But yeah, that's kind of cool. That actually protects my Tyrannus. I still got to get some gimbal covers for this, but yeah, I kind of like that. So that's actually cool. So I will actually use this this little handy dandy bag. So for this month, you get the Ethics carrying bag. I'm going to use it for my Tyrannus QX7. So we got that. We got the Team Black Sheep stickers. Those are cool. I love stickers. Got some Ethics stickers. Those are cool too. I'm definitely going to be stickering up some stuff. Got the 5% off Velocidrone. So if you didn't see the code, go back, and if it's already used up, sorry. There's probably only one code. I don't know if this can be used multiple times, so give it a try, guys. Velocidrone is really cool. I like it a lot. It's a good simulator. And then we've got the Team Black Sheep XT60 connector topper things. So those are actually kind of cool. And then we've got the Team Black Sheep. This again is the Team Black Sheep Unify Pro 5 G8 HV Race MMCX. So that is actually pretty freaking cool. I wish it would have come with a MMCX adapter, you know, like one, but if you know, you probably already got one, so they're pretty inexpensive and cheap to buy. So that's not too bad. And again, this is a really nice Team Black Sheep makes really nice racing stuff. So that's pretty cool. And of course, you got the 3 bags, the 3 sets of the HQ props. So these are freaking cool, and I like this red color. This is really pretty. So yeah, I really like those a lot. I don't say pretty very often, but yeah, I like these. These are kind of cool. These are really nice, and I've been wanting to test these HQ props because I've been given so much thumbs up to the Dow props, but I really wanted to test something else out, and this is perfect. This will give me the chance to test these out. So yeah, I am very excited about that. If you liked my unboxing of the April drone drop box, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button down there. I would appreciate that. If you like the channel, if you like my reviews, my tips and tricks, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want. It's right down there. And you can also hit that little bell. The little bell just lets you know when I've got new videos. Typically I upload on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and sometimes in between I'll throw another video in there. So my channel is basically all about FPV racing, racing drones, accessories, and things like that. Next week coming up on the channel, guys, I've got a review of a new charger that I got in the mail yesterday. So that is kind of cool. I've been testing that out, and I'm also going to be doing a review of a new LiPo safe bag. It's a fireproof bag. So that'll be coming out next week as well, hopefully, if I have time to do both of those videos. And then this weekend, I'm going to be going out and celebrating the Cinco de Mayo by doing some drone racing in my local town here of Longmont, Colorado with the other guys, FPV. So I'm really super stoked about that and excited. And I got another frame on the way, so I'm going to be doing another drone build. I'm actually going to be making basically a clone of my purple custom drone, but I'm going to be mixing up a little bit different. So I've got a new flight controller that's on its way. It just came out, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys, and I'll be doing a review on that. And then so yeah, so got a lot of cool FPV stuff coming for you guys. So definitely stay tuned for it. As always, thank you for all the support, all the questions, and all the viewers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And so thank you so very much, guys. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's make sure to keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.